Hello viewers, today I will show you how to straighten a curved or a distorted document. You can see a curved document image on my screen. So let's start making straighten this document. At first open the document image with Photoshop. Many people do a common mistake when they try to straighten a document, they try to crop the image. If I crop the image, the document did not straighten properly. As you can see, I have cropped the image, and it doesn't be straightened. Let's undo it, and see the proper way. Right-click on the crop tool, and select the perspective crop tool from here. Now zoom in on the image, and very carefully place an anchor point at every corner of the document with the help of the mouse. Look, I have placed an anchor point on every corners of the document. Now click on the check mark from the menu bar, and see the magic. That's it. Look, the document is straightened properly, and every single line of the document is readable. That's how you can make any curved or distorted document to straighten easily by using Photoshop. Also, if you need any kind of document editing service, contact with us. We provide professional document editing service. We can edit any kind of document like PDF, PNG, JPG, or scanned image perfectly. Visit tuner.com or contact us with WhatsApp or Telegram. The service starts from $10 only. Thank you.